Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today with a catalyst swipe. I'm just going over an old canvas. This is Artist Law Flow Acrylic Red, the one that comes in the big bottle in the Michaels. Just gonna spread it out. It's actually a pretty red. Going to do a little bit around the edges. Give it a spin, see if I can spread it a little more. Okay. So the plan is I'm gonna do a little Dutch pour at the bottom, then I'm gonna use my catalyst. So I got some purple, which is Oriental Violet, Pebeo Oriental Violet. I think I'll just do some lines like this. This is Cobalt Blue by Liquitex Basics. I'll do one up this way. And this one is where did my lid go? It's like a lime green. I really should have this in bottles. I'll get around to doing that. I'll put some in my new Lily Leffy bottles that I got. And I have a discount code in the description under my video for Lily Leffy if you want to order any mats. Silicone mats are awesome. I have one on my table right now. This one's not on here, but I'm getting another one so I don't have to wait to wash them off. The paint just peels right off when they're dry. That was Peacock Pearl by DecoArt. I don't know what happened to my other lid. I lost it. Oh, here it is. There's no name. Anyway, it's like a lime green. Okay. So I'm going to use my little mini blower. to blow this out. I'll try this width one first. I think it's, I'm going to try my smaller one. That's better. It wasn't very strong, the other one. Oh, that's pretty. I'm just wondering if I have enough. Yeah, it should be okay. I'll try it anyways. This is just a trial. Haven't done one of these for a very long time. Because you know me, I like my blooms. But I'm going to have a little break. So, I have a few different catalyst shapes here. So let me try this one first. It's kind of big. I have a smaller one here. Let's try this side. I wonder if that would work. It's just a little comb. I think I need a bigger canvas. This is kind of big. I don't really have a smaller one. I just need to break it in half almost. Oh. What a rake. was kind of cool. Something in here. These other ones are pretty wide for this canvas, so I either need to cut them in half or use a bigger canvas. I'm loving these colors. I think I needed a little more paint probably at the bottom. Let's try over here. This has got more paint. And the colors are so pretty. I'm gonna do one more here. I think this is like a back scratcher thing I got from the dollar store. I don't know if I should leave it. I like it. What do you think? I think I should just leave it. If I do any more, I might mess it up. One more spin. Excuse me. Well, I'm going to leave it. I think it's very cool. Thanks for watching. Give it a try. It's not that difficult when you have the right tools, I guess, and the right consistency of paints. This is a 10 by 10 canvas, by the way. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell, you'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below, let me know what you think. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Thank you. Hi everybody. Here's my dried canvas. It dried awesome. Smooth. I don't know, I like this one. Very different, very cool. There you go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.